They're gonna steamroll the army and then they'll be back. This is our only chance to get out.
Not going into the subway. You've heard the stories.
We will start here. The subway is our only chance. We'll take it to Inwood, get to the evac center, and get the fuck out of New York. Or we die here.
I don't like him, but he's right.
Dan, you hear me?
Hey, what's up? I don't see you guys on the roof.
We're going for it. Trying the subway to Inwood. Over.
Yeah, really? I don't maybe the road's so wide I'm not on the run. Guys?
Reloading! Come on now, Creed. Where your ass is. Don't stop until you get to the elevator.
Creeper neutralized.
Fresh ammo coming up. Fresh ammo coming up. Sneaky Zeke is close. Let's see what we got. Oh, you were all mine. Oh, yeah!
Gas back down. Stay clear of the gas.
Push the elevator button.
Creeper!
Pull us down.
Ammo break!
Hold the elevator. We gotta get out.
Creeper is close.
Elevator cold. Boom! Coming in!
Going down.
And he's down.
Loading ammo.
Dan, you there?
Always.
We're headed down. Have food. Gotta go now. You coming? Over.
Look, I got food and booze for a month. Y'all had to be here by now. I'm gonna wait it out. I'll keep an eye out for you.
That's... Shit. That's a lot of Zeke. But we got no choice.
Holy Christ. You seeing this? Goddamn Thanksgiving Day parade.
There's no way the army expected this many.
Here they come! Pyramid! Can't let them get up here! Whoa!
The elevator shaft should be set to get down.
We got a creep!
You guys okay?
Man down!
Working on it.
Oh! Yeah! subway should be just across the street. This'll do. This will help keep them back. Shh. Keep the noise down.
Guys, see the swarm from the street for you.
Shit. Where?
Watch down the roadway.
I found some defenses. Razor wire in place.
Sneaky Zeke is close.
This will help keep them back. Razor wire defense is set. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Oh, that's right.
Stay sharp. You got it. Oh, they're coming over the gate.
Yeah. Reloading.
Oh, they're coming over the gate. Dig in. They're coming over.
It's over, bitches. There's more where that came from. Reloading. Shit! I see a creeper! Ammo break! Works for me. Yeah! Works for me. Works for me. Calm down with that. Fresh ammo coming up!
Anybody else? Anybody else? We should go before there's more. Dan, is the street clear to the subway?
Getting on your head.